to act according to our demand, there is no point. Sustain una der po. Lang ni inu ka maling. Sustain una der movement se sustain una der. I menendali to get sustain with him in leading Telo. And I feel that we will bring autonomous state. Nay, alam niyo to movement also sustain with him. It depends on that because you will have to compel the government to do it. Until you know how to compel to do it, we have exhausted our mass power. We exhausted the power of the land. We exhausted many other forms of movement, including burning of buildings and all. We could not sustain it for long enough for us to get what we want. Last of all, see, government has 62 under 250 about ill. Let's see, we are strengthening 62 in the process. We are strengthening 62 in the process. Let's see, non banke. I just want to reply one thing. Low point. Okay?
Sorry, in short.
In short, yes, low point. Our esteemed advocate also says that he has not seen any limitation in 16. He has not seen any limitation in 16. The limitation is ingrained in every line. He was talking about paragraph 12. In paragraph 12 also, it is ingrained. Paragraph 12 of the 6th schedule. If you see, if somebody can show me what about paragraph 12. If somebody can. Yes. Application of acts of parliament. Application of acts of parliament and of legislature of the state of Meghalaya. State of Assam is paragraph 12. Okay. No act of the legislature of the state of Assam in respect of any matter specified in paragraph 3. So it is specific in whatever subject is intended in paragraph 3. Of this schedule as matters with respect to which council may make laws and no act of parliament of the legislature of the state prohibiting or restricting the consumption of so and so and so and so. So, Radha Kapur Banke, paragraph 3 long prima PR a subject long no act of parliament or state will apply. We agree. But no. Article 162 says that for all other purpose, Article 162 says that for all other purpose, the state government action will prevail. Article 162. Let us not itu bitang kada way ciru beredang. It is good for us to know our weakness. Until and unless we know our weakness, we won't be able to fight. We won't be able to fight. On land, let me read out to you, which I got it from this book. This book says land does not belong to autonomous. This book says. I'm not saying it. And how this book says land does not belong to autonomous council. This book points to this court judgment.
Please mention the article and
yes.
So that the people can understand.
This book points to this judgment. And it is Udaldas Panika Prala Chandradas versus Kalyan District Council. This particular the Honorable High Court says it quotes Mrs. C.M. Lloyd versus District Council Donated Khasi and Yankee Hills in this regard. It quote the Honorable Court Guwahati High Court has quoted this. In this regard, the land comprised in an autonomous district does not belong to the District Council in the sense it is owned by the state of Assam and not by the District Council. Though in that case there is no elaborate discussion, but this decision holds the field. Next line. The Honorable Court says that, the judges says that.
Is the High Court judgment or Supreme Court judgment?
No, this is High Court judgment. Then it says that we would, however, like to add that under the Government of India Act 1935, the areas comprised within an autonomous district in question were partially excluded areas, and as such, the sovereign right over land rested in the crown. After the lapse of paramountcy, such properties and assets have vested in the union and the corresponding states respectively. This position has been made clear in Article 294 and 295 of the Constitution. According to Article 162 of the Constitution, the executive power of the state shall extend to the matters in respect of which the legislature of the state has power to make laws. That is excluding, allotment, use, and setting apart. Okay, that is the confines. That is the domain of the district council. So state has no power to make laws on setting apart, on use, and on allotment.